Is your iPhone stuck on "Please wait" while installing Roblox? It sits right there and never finishes. This usually happens due to network timeout, app store bug, or low storage. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the "Please wait" while installing Roblox issue on your iPhone. Let's get Roblox installed right now. Before doing anything else, turn off the Do Not Disturb mode and low power mode. Then make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Free up the iPhone storage. First, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Remove unwanted large files or unused apps from here. Tap on the apps you want to remove. Then tap on Delete App. Finally, tap the Delete app again. Solution 2. Force close and restart the App Store. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Find the App Store. Now swipe it up and off the screen to close it. Open the App Store again and try downloading Roblox again. If you are still facing the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 3. Check your software update. Open Settings, tap General, then tap Software Update. If you see a software update is available, then update your iPhone software to fix this problem. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset network settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset network settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. And there you have it. Hope your "Please wait" while installing Roblox stuck error is solved now. If you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, then please give it a like and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.